Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference.
The Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, says it will partner with young farmers who are doing well in commercial farming to train other youths to become independent farmers in the region through the Holistic Opportunities Projects of Engagement, also known as Project Hope. Project Hope is geared towards creating sufficient food supply for the region and providing job opportunities for its teeming young population for rapid socio-economic advancement in the region. The Executive Director of Projects, Victor Antai, who made this known in a recent visit to some farms in Akwa Ibom State, commended the young farmers for their contribution to food sustainability in the region.
Last week, while visiting some farms in Ikot Ebom, Itam in Itu local government area and Ndidep Usuk in Ibiono Ibom local government area of Akwa Ibom State, the team of the Niger Delta Development Commission was impressed with the different kinds of crops cultivated in the area. At the 2.5 hectare Aswakak farm, where they grow tomatoes, cucumber, cabbage, pepper and other vegetables, the young Akwa Ibomite, Kufre Joseph, who owns the farm, says he has not less than 25 workers on the farm, and with more investment, he can do more.
We need tractor that will help us in clearing the farm. We need chemicals that we use. Look at this cucumber, it's very fine. We are using chemicals to control the pests. We need fertilizers, most especially the poultry droppings, that's the manure. As you can see, manure now is very expensive. So one of the major challenges that we have is the fertilizer.
Also, the owner of Antia's Farm and the chairman of the Commercial Farmers Association in Akwa Ibom State, Aniebet Antai, expressed some of the challenges faced in the commercial farming.
Commercial farming is expensive and the poor cannot achieve food sufficiency. I have been saying that because to purchase all this irrigation, mulching, chemicals, fertilizers are quite expensive on the high side. My only thing that I can plead with the NDC to support is the area of funding.
Pleasantly surprised at the efforts of the farmers, the Executive Director of Projects commended the young men for the work they were doing and expressed the Commission's readiness to partner with them to train others.
We are also interested in small farming clusters. We also have seen the need for us to mechanize most of these commercial vegetables. The future of food security, the future of food sufficiency in the Niger Delta region, vis-a-vis Nigeria, is here in the Niger Delta region.
NDDC consultants for Project Hope, Blessing Fubara, also explained that the Project Hope will enable those who are passionate about farming to contribute meaningfully to the growth and development of the region through agriculture.
We have seen practically how passionate and resilient the youth of the region can be in terms of being, putting in their efforts as well. And this is one of the things that the Project Hope is looking at, to reassure hope to those passionate and, of course, enterprising young Niger Deltans that we have. So in the agro specimen of the Project Hope, this farm is going to be one of the farms that we will develop for clustering.
Holistic Opportunity Projects of Engagement, also known as Project Hope, launched in July last year, is the brainchild of the Managing Director of the NDDC, Dr. Samuel Ogbuku, and it is a deliberate action for sustainable development through achieving food security and creating jobs for the teeming young population of the Niger Delta region.
Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference.
Inside the Niger Delta,